Hello all, welcome you all to my YouTube channel GK Study with Akanksha. Question number 1. Kavach 4.0 is an automatic train protection system introduced by which organization? A. Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited. B. Research, Designs and Standards Organization. C. Defense Research and Development Organization. D. Ministry of Transport. Correct answer is B. Question number 2. Which institute has launched the Saksham Niveshak campaign? A. Investor Education and Protection Fund Authority. B. Reserve Bank of India. C. Securities and Exchange Board of India. D. National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. Correct answer is A. Question number 3. Which state won the Junior Boys National Football Championship 2025? A. Madhya Pradesh. B. West Bengal. C. Manipur. D. Jharkhand. Correct answer is C. Question number 4. Which institute has launched the AI powered climate advisory project for small farmers in Hyderabad? A. International Crops Research Institute for the Semi-Arid Tropics. B. Food Corporation of India. C. Central Research Institute for Dryland Agriculture. D. National Institute of Agricultural Marketing. Correct answer is A. Question number 5. Skill Impact Bond is India's first development impact bond launched by which organization? A. National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. B. Reserve Bank of India. C. Indian Economic Trade Organization. D. National Skill Development Corporation. Correct answer is D. Question number 6. Which country has imposed a 25% tariff on India goods effective from August 1, 2025? A. France. B. United States. C. China. D. Russia. Correct answer is B. Question number 7. Mansa Devi temple that was recently seen in news is located in which city of Uttarakhand? A. Rishikesh. B. Dehradun. C. Almora. D. Haridwar. Correct answer is D. Question number 8. What is the new official name given to the best Olympics? A. Tribal Youth Games. B. Khelo India Tribal Games. C. Bharat Khel Mahotsav. D. None of the above. Correct answer is B. Question number 9. Which ministry has launched the Apna Ghar initiative to support truck drivers during long journeys? A. Ministry of Urban Development. B. Ministry of Home Affairs. C. Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas. D. Ministry of Transport. Correct answer is C. Question number 10. Which state government has launched a new initiative to convert cow dung from stray cattle into eco-friendly products? A. Madhya Pradesh. B. Haryana. C. Uttar Pradesh. D. Rajasthan. Correct answer is C. Question number 11. Where was the third edition of Meghalaya Pineapple Festival 2025 organized? A. Shillong. B. New Delhi. C. Chandigarh. D. Dehradun. Correct answer is B. Question number 12. Which two institutions jointly developed a district flood severity index? A. IIT Bombay and IIT Kanpur. B. IIT Delhi and IIT Gandhinagar. C. IIT Madras and IIT Kharagpur. D. IIT Roorkee and IIT Hyderabad. Correct answer is B. Question number 13. The Mahanadi river flows through which states? A. Bihar and Jharkhand. B. Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh. C. Rajasthan and Gujarat. D. Chhattisgarh and Odisha. Correct answer is D. Question number 14. Which legislative assembly became the first in India to be powered entirely by solar energy? A. Maharashtra Legislative Assembly. B. Gujarat Legislative Assembly. C. Uttar Pradesh Legislative Assembly. D. Delhi Legislative Assembly. Correct answer is D. Question number 15. Clove Syndrome Awareness Day is observed every year on which day? A. August 1. B. August 2. C. August 3. D. August 4. Correct answer is C. Question number 16. What is India's global rank in fish production as of 2024-2025? A. First. B. Second. C. Third. D. Fourth. Correct answer is B. Question number 17. Where was the Indian Army Research Cell named Agni Sood recently inaugurated? A. IIT Madras, B. IIT Bombay, C. IIT Delhi, D. IIT Kanpur. Correct answer is A. Question number 18. Where is India's first FIFA Talent Academy for girls being established? A. Karnataka, B. Maharashtra, C. Kerala, D. Telangana. Correct answer is D. Question number 20. Which country has launched the Risotto project to combat into rhino poaching? A. South Africa, B. India, C. Kenya, D. Australia. Correct answer is A. Question number 21. Mahabodhi temple that was recently seen in news is located on the bank of which river? A. Narmada river, B. Niranjana river, C. Saryu river, D. Kaveri river. Correct answer is B. Question number 22. What is India's global ranking in terms of largest aviation market in 2024 according to International Air Transport Association? A first, B second, C third, D fifth. Correct answer is D. Question number 23. Which state government has launched the heat resilient Mudadi project to tackle extreme heat wave? A. Kerala, B. Maharashtra, C. Karnataka, D. Tamil Nadu. Correct answer is A. Question number 24. World Tribal Day is observed every year on which day? A. August 7, B. August 8, C. August 9, D. August 10. Correct answer is C. Question number 25. Notary portal was launched by which ministry? A. Ministry of Law and Justice, B. Ministry of Finance, C. Ministry of Commerce and Industry, D. Ministry of Tribal Affairs. Correct answer is A. Thank you. I hope you like the video.